Today on Uncovered, we'll explore the incredible journey of NASA's New Horizons spacecraft. We go behind the story of New Horizons Wakes Up. From its fiery launch on Earth to the freezing, dark edge of our solar system, this is a mission of absolute firsts. Imagine building a complex machine, strapping it to a massive rocket, and sending it billions of miles into the freezing dark just to take a few pictures. That is exactly what NASA did with the New Horizons probe. It is the fastest spacecraft ever launched from Earth, designed specifically to explore the mysterious Kuiper Belt at the very edge of our solar system. But how did this ambitious project get off the ground, and what did it find when it finally reached its destination? Today, we are tracking the 5 major milestones that defined this historic space mission. New Horizons is an interplanetary space probe roughly the size of a grand piano. It was built by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory and launched by NASA. The spacecraft is packed with 7 different scientific instruments, including high-resolution cameras, plasma sensors, and a special dust counter built entirely by students. Because it travels so incredibly far from the sun, it cannot use traditional solar panels. Instead, it is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, which uses the heat from decaying plutonium to keep the computers running in deep space. To understand the sheer scale of this mission, think about a long road trip. If you drove a car at highway speeds without ever stopping, it would take you over 6,000 years to reach Pluto. New Horizons had to travel nearly 6 billion miles. It is exploring a region called the Kuiper Belt, a massive ring of icy bodies and dwarf planets left over from the formation of our solar system. The spacecraft acts like a robotic time machine, showing us exactly what these ancient frozen worlds look like up close. The journey began with a record-breaking launch in January 2006. The Atlas V rocket pushed the probe away from Earth at over 36,000 miles per hour. In February 2007, the probe flew past Jupiter for a gravity assist. Think of it like a skateboarder grabbing the back of a speeding truck for a boost. New Horizons used Jupiter's massive gravity to slingshot itself forward, saving 3 years of travel time. After a long, quiet cruise through the dark, the spacecraft finally reached the Pluto system in July 2015. It captured stunning close-up photos of Pluto's icy mountains and its giant heart-shaped glacier, completely changing our view of the dwarf planet. Pushing even deeper into the unknown, in January 2019, it explored a Kuiper Belt object called Arrokoth. This strange snowman-shaped rock provided the very first close-up look at a pristine building block of the solar system. Recently, on June 23rd, operators safely awakened the spacecraft from a long hibernation. It had been sleeping for nearly a year to save power, but now it is ready to transmit fresh science data back to Earth. From its blazing launch and Jupiter slingshot to exploring Pluto, Arrokoth and Beyond, New Horizons has continuously pushed the boundaries of human exploration. This mission matters because it completed the initial reconnaissance of our solar system. Before New Horizons, Pluto was just a blurry, pixelated dot in our best telescopes. Now, we know it is a real, complex world with blue skies, red snow, and flowing nitrogen ice. The data gathered by this single piano-sized probe will fill science textbooks for decades. It proves that even the coldest, most distant corners of our cosmic neighborhood are incredibly active and full of amazing surprises waiting to be discovered. If you want to track exactly where this robotic explorer is right now, you can visit NASA's official New Horizons website. They have a live interactive dashboard that shows the spacecraft's current distance from Earth, its speed, and what its instruments are currently measuring. You can also browse the massive gallery of raw images sent back from the Kuiper Belt. It is a great way to see the raw data exactly as the scientists see it, straight from the edge of the solar system. Quick check, here is my question. What giant gas planet did the New Horizons spacecraft fly past to get a massive gravity assist? Jupiter! The New Horizons mission proves that with enough patience and brilliant engineering, we can reach the farthest edges of our solar system. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember there is a tiny human-made machine out there sailing through the dark. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how NASA explored Pluto. Stay curious, stay kind.